What we do starts with understanding what the market needs. And understanding the market needs is the most challenging part because market is happy by using fossil fuel products strictly being used by people, things like motorcycles, ATVs, snowmobiles, jet skis, motorboats, and now we want to replace this with a sustainable thinking and solution.
Oh yeah, like there was a guy actually came I think about a month ago to our location for service. I checked his bike. Guess how many kilometers he had on his bike? The guy had, and he purchased it about 14 months, so a year and 2 months.
So 2,000?
1,000, that's what you think. He has 16,000 kilometers. 16,000 kilometers. 16,000 kilometers on an ENVO D35 bikes. That was crazy. I don't even put that much on my car.
That is the concept that we want to prove by this proof of concept. And again, this is not a prototype. It's not a final product. It's just a proof of concept. We're just at the beginning. And I'm very optimistic that this will be a product maybe in a couple of years.
Well, we had a lady and her friends from North Van, and they used to ride down from North Van over the Lions Gate Bridge, around the seawall, and they'd stop in the parking lot, phone the husbands, come and get me. And suddenly, they got electrified. They got to the parking lot, they said, we can do it, ladies. And up they went back home into North Van. So it gives people that extra mile, and it's a beautiful thing. You're trying to get up that hill, it ain't happening. Little juice, little electric power, right up the hill.
And what kind of a range do you get out of this model, the ST?
The STs, you can get a range of about 60 to 80 kilometers.
60 to 80 kilometers? Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
You can even get 100 kilometers if you were to bike more. It's depending on how you bike and how much motor power you use. So the more motor you use, the less range you get. The more human input you put, the more range you'll get.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's actually an insane distance. That's actually more than I expected.
Yeah. That's cool. And you can get a bigger battery, and you'll get more range.
And you know what I love is that people can be in a traffic jam, and you're just like motoring on by.
Yeah, that's my favorite part.
Yeah.
I don't worry about traffic jams.
Yeah.
I just go home.
You're just go home.
It always takes the same amount of time.
Yeah.
I don't worry about it.
You don't have to go to the gym because you just had a workout going to work and back.
Exactly.
But you don't get super sweaty either, so you're not like showing up like
That's the biggest part. You don't want to get sweaty on your way to work.
Yeah. But you still get a little bit of wind in your sails, a little bit of exercise. Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing. Wow. If only we had someone to test drive something like this. Wait a minute. We look like we have someone excited right here to test it. And away it goes. Well, I wish we could have someone test it. Is there anyone out there that would like to test this bike? Is any tester? Oh, let's go full assist. Here it goes. Clear the way. Clear the way. The thing has left the building. Oh, it looks fast. Okay. Woo! Oh, wow, that's super fun. Ah, that's cool.
Yeah, it's fun, and someone should ride this. I mean, I'm excited once the full model is ready.
Someone should ride this.
Yeah.
I know. Is there any more testers out there?
Here we are.
Whoa, he's here again. Okay. Stick. Whoa, big wheelie. Whoa. Okay, we've got another tester on scene. Rocking the house. Rocking the parking lot. The Sting is doing donuts. Whoa, the thing's burning out. I love it. Look at him go. Just lean on. The thing was quite fast. Uh-oh. He's going. Okay, where is he going? What is he going to do? The Sting.
Today, I would like to actually introduce to you our CEO of our ENVO US. We believe in North America, we should be doing that and going there and expanding that.
All right.
Look who we have here.
Looks like the Sting? The Sting. Nice testing today, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
All right, we're live. We're back. We're in the parking lot. And we're with Harry and Ali. And this is the one that I was most looking forward to all day. And this is the electric water bike. Who wants to talk about this?
Everyone, I guess. Everyone is curious. When I was building this, everyone was so excited. Hey, what that machine is? What is going on inside that showroom? What is going on in the ocean? So this is first time in the media we're going to present you the Hydra water bike. Now, this particular water bike only had a vision that Canada has 30,000 lakes across the country. Now we are talking about a human assist electric power water bike. So this one has a mid-rise system where the energy transfer is through the chain and directly goes to the propeller. And there is a lot of engineering that I'm going to talk about. It has two inflatable pontoons, a drop stitch material with a very unique design that we analyze, we calculate, and then choose this design. And it has a sturdy frame and it keeps me alive. I'm not going inside the water, I don't know how to swim, but it still keeps me alive because that's a two inflatable part of it. The second thing is we have a detachable batteries and we can increase the range whatever we want, but this beast can go up to 20 kilometers per hour for whole 40 minutes of drive.